Hello. Good morning. Good noon. Good afternoon or good evening, depending on what time you are seeing this video right now. This video is intended to be as viewer-friendly as possible by incorporating a standard US English voiceover to ensure that our message is properly understood by the majority of our viewers, particularly those in other regions of the world. So please keep watching as we share one of our daily, simple, at-home dishes with you. For this video, we will be sharing with you our way of cooking a very delicious and healthy carrot meatball, which is one of our children's favorites. These are our ingredients: ground pork, all-purpose flour, carrot, eggs, red onion, garlic, black pepper, salt, magic syrup, and cooking oil. Procedure: grate the carrots. And the red onion this way. Mix it thoroughly with the ground pork. Put the black pepper and mix well. For more videos and other contents, we invite you to please visit our main channel at youtube.com/Cebucheapsite. Mince the garlic using garlic mincer crusher like this. Or just grate it in the same way you grated the carrots and the red onion. If you like gardening contents, we invite you to please visit our urban gardening channel at Cebucheapsite Gartenstil. Thank you for dropping by to our channel. If this is your first time to be here, we invite you to please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video. Thanks. Beat the eggs. And mix it well to the ground pork. Add the all-purpose flour enough to bind the ground pork when cooked. And mix well. Add the salt. Add the magic syrup enough to taste. Preheat the oil. Mold the carrot meatball this way. And start frying until the color becomes golden brown. Done. Now serving. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video by giving us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video.